Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get hockey in Blox Fruits, also known as the superhuman fighting style. This powerful combat technique is highly sought after by many players for its versatility and damage output. We'll go through each step, making sure you understand the requirements and the process to unlock this amazing ability. Get ready to enhance your gameplay and dominate your opponents with this incredible fighting style. Before you can unlock Superhuman, you'll need to master 4 specific fighting styles. These are Dark Step, Electro, Water Kung Fu, and Dragon Breath. Each of these styles must reach a mastery level of 300. This might sound like a lot, but consistent use in battles will help you level them up efficiently. Focus on one at a time or switch between them to keep things interesting. Once you've mastered all 4 prerequisite fighting styles, your next step is to find the martial arts master. This important non-player character is located in the second sea. Specifically, you'll need to make your way to the Snow Mountain Island. Look for a small cave or a hidden area where the master resides, ready to teach you the secrets of Superhuman. After locating the martial arts master and confirming your mastery levels, simply interact with him. He will offer to teach you the superhuman fighting style for a price. Be prepared to spend 3 million Bali, so make sure you have enough in-game currency saved up. Once you pay, the superhuman fighting style will be yours, ready for you to unleash its full potential in your adventures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.